It's the 5th of February 2023. Tropical cyclone outlook for Coral Sea near Queensland, Australia. You may see a new tropical storm over this region soon. If you subscribe this channel now, you will not miss daily weather and cyclone update for Australia. Thanks. Increased risk of a severe tropical cyclone to develop in the central Coral Sea region by midweek. A tropical low is forming to the east of eastern region boundary near Vanuatu. The low is expected to begin moving westwards from tomorrow and be located over the far eastern areas of the region by Tuesday. The low is expected to rapidly intensify to a tropical cyclone as it continues to move west on Wednesday. By Wednesday night or early Thursday, it may become a severe tropical cyclone. There is considerable risk that the system could be close to the east coast of Queensland, off Mackay by Thursday next week. However, current model guidance indicate that the cyclone may curve towards the southeast, away from the coast from late Thursday or Friday. Based on this, a direct impact or landfall is not expected at this stage. The ratings for the low are expected to increase to moderate on Tuesday the 7th of February, and high from Wednesday the 8th of February onwards.